Introducing our July subscription box,
the Summer Stitch Story.
Hey, I'm Lisa and I'm the crochet designer of the Craft Shed Stash, and I'd like to introduce to you the Summer Stitch Story. I'm going to show you how each 8 squares joins together to make this seamless summer sampler blanket. So let's start with square 1. This is our corner to corner, and we start at the top and we work in diagonals using our bold colour choices throughout. Our second square is the Celtic weave, where we're going to be using treble crochets in a crossing lattice effect to give you this great basket weave. Our third square is our tulips. Using the white borders, make these flowers really bloom. Our fourth square is using the eyelet stitches to give you either a bee or a flower. Our fifth square is our bobbles, giving us some great fun to our summer blanket. Our sixth square is our front post flags, giving us a 3D stretchy effect. The seventh square is giving us different stitch heights, creating this great leaf effect. Our eighth square is the interlocking blocks. Using our bold colour choices gives you these brick-like effects. The border and the ribbon on this blanket is made all at the same time, giving you a seamless effect. I wanted this project to feel like a summer adventure in stitches. You'll be learning 8 different square designs. Each one introduces a new technique or texture. We're exploring things like front post, bold shaping, brought together with smooth, seamless joins. There are lots of colour changes, but don't worry, I'll guide you through every step in the video course. And there's a left-handed and right-handed tutorials available, so no one's left out. And the pattern is also in UK and US terminology. This summer, I can't wait to make this with you, square by square, colour by colour. Let's slow down, learn something new, and make something beautiful together. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. Your blanket journey starts in July.
Hi everybody, who's excited for the Craft Shed Quarters Craft Stash for July? It's an amazing kit, is this one. There is so much in it. In fact, there's so much yarn that I need 2 baskets. So you've got some gorgeous, gorgeous bright colours. There's the other colours. And then a white to border it all. Really, really makes it pop. So the colours you have, this lovely shrimp, an apple, a turquoise, and this citron. Really lovely, lovely colours together, and the pattern designed by Lisa really, really makes the best of these colours, really makes them stand out. We've then bordered everything with the white, so you literally are framing these amazing colours. You get 200 grams of each of the colours, so that's 2 balls of each colour. You then will be getting 4 balls of the white, so the Stylecraft white. So you make a really, really generous border to your blanket, and it makes the different panels really pop, really stand out. So that's what you get in yarn. So 1200 grams of yarn in this kit. As always, you get your prim crochet hook. So this is a 4.5mm hook, so different size to the ones that have been in the previous kits, to enable you to build up your collection of these lovely, lovely prim hooks. There's the pattern. As usual, the pattern is in full colour. It's got pictures of everything you need, and then you've got the QR code that will take you to the video where Lisa's done step-by-step videos for each of the panels in the blanket. So you've got your pattern, you've got a darning needle. I don't know if you can see that, very small to show on a camera, but you have a darning needle because there will be, I'm sorry, a few ends to stitch in, but there you go, there's your darning needle. And then you are going to get your Emma Ball stitch marker. So there's different designs, so you'll have to wait and see which one you get, but they're all really gorgeous. I love this one, and then there's this one. I don't know if you can see that, I hope you can. And there's this one as well. So this really is a bumper kit. 1200 grams of yarn, your prim crochet hook, your Emma ball stitch marker, your patterns. The only thing I couldn't fit in really was Lisa, but we're sending you the video links for Lisa. Oh, and a darning hook, forgot about that. So we really hope you love it as much as we do.